Hello guys, hope you are doing well. So today we are unboxing another G-Shock from my collection. So today the model that we will be unboxing is GD-400-1DR. So let's unbox. So inside the box we got a G-Shock International warranty card as usual. It's 1 year warranty that G-Shock gives internationally. Then a Casio module number 3434 user guide, which comes in multi languages. And inside the box we got our Casio-GShock metal box. A very beautiful metal box in metallic gray color, as you can see, with black, red and white G-Shock logo on the box. So inside the box we got our G-Shock GD-400-1DR G-Shock model. So as you can see, a very beautiful sporty G-Shock, this time with metal face protector. So it's a very sporty G-Shock watch introduced especially for the outdoor sports such as skateboards. So it's a good watch for the skateboard players because it got a metal face protector. So it will help to avoid damage for the face of the watch. As you can see, again a rubber and a resin mixed material for the strap, and this time you can see the strap is very unique pattern, textured strap this time. Again not a metallic, plastic G-Shock protector for the strap. With negative display, as you can see, a G-Shock button on the top, which on pressing will let the LED in white color. So a very beautiful, very different G-Shock watch in the collection. As you can see here from the back of the metal plate, it's a G-Shock resist. You can see the model number is engraved GD-400 and stainless steel back. So a very tough watch, a very beautiful watch with mineral glass, and again it got multiple time zones, multiple alarm you can set with date, time and calendar month features. So a digital watch with negative display. From the side of the watch you can see different buttons, again in textured design. Here you can see as well, it's a textured design buttons plus textured strap this time. A very tough rubber and resin material used. As you can see from the back it's plain, but at the front you can see the textured design on the strap or band of the watch. A very good looking, nice sporty watch in our G-Shock collection. Apart from that, it got all the features that a G-Shock should have with a unique design. So hope you like the new G-Shock in our collection. So until next time with another G-Shock unboxing, signing off. Take care. Bye bye.